Hello guys, in this video I'm showing you how to deserialize JSON data into generic type like this. So this is a pay response, which is a very common data model when you work with pagination in application. So I have this pay response of single quiz. Okay, so let me show you the single quiz. It contains some basic fields like this, and also have a pay response of questions. So this is a generic data type. And let's see our JSON data. So this is the JSON. Okay, you see that we have total pages, and the data is here, which this is a single quiz. This is a single quiz. It contains a pay response of questions. So you can see the pattern here. So how do we convert this into this? Okay, so let's try creating a test. Okay, I have the JSON data here, pay response quiz here, which is exactly this one, but remove all the new line. So let's try the, maybe this is the method I try first, because I don't know how to do the right way. Let's create a JSON instance. Okay, something like that. And pay response quiz object equal from JSON. So we'll have JSON and pay response and class. Okay, something like that. Oh, sorry, that'd be pay response quiz. Okay, something like this. But I also tried this something, but it's not possible, right? You probably know that single quiz. So this you cannot do this. So let's go back to this method, and I will do an assertion here, just to use a breakpoint. So assertion, so equal pay response object get page size 1. Actually, yeah, exactly. So let's debug this method. And let's see what is the object. Okay, you see that the total pages, total items, page index, and page size correctly pass into the value. But let's expand this. You see that we have an array list of not a single quiz object, but a linked tree map. So if you use this, you will not need to do a lot of manual parsing. And also in the questions here, it is not a pay response. This is definitely not a right approach. So let me show you the right approach. Okay, we will not use these things. So we will use a class called type token to resolve this issue. So let's type, this. We are going to use a reflection. So and we will pass the expected type here. So I expect to have this single quiz, right? And we're going to get type here. Okay, so now we are ready to deserialize data into the expected type. So pay response single quiz equal page data, for example, or pay response single quiz equal just JSON from JSON. So we have the data here. If this is a string, the type here. And let's add some assertion. Assertion equal expected 1 pay response single quiz. Total page. Get maybe total pages here. So I just do this assertion to add a breakpoint here, and let's run the test again. And let's see what we have here in the pay response single quiz. Yeah, we have. Let's check. So you can see that it is the return data is now single quiz. It's not a linked tree map anymore. And if we go down to questions here, you can also see a pay response, not an array list of linked tree map. And this is correct. We have the questions. We have the correct type from the top to the last level. So that is, guys, that is how you can use type token to deserialize JSON data if you have generic in your project. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.